Enlightenment, a time of big ideas and bold changes. Imagine Europe in the 17th and 19th centuries, a world where kings and queens held absolute power, where the church's influence permeated every aspect of life, and where questioning the established order was often met with harsh consequences. But in the middle of this backdrop of tradition and authority, a new way of thinking was emerging, a movement that would come to be known as the Enlightenment. The Enlightenment was a time of intellectual awakening, a period when philosophers, scientists, and writers dared to challenge long-held beliefs and traditions. They questioned the divine right of kings, the unquestioned authority of the church, and the rigid social hierarchies that define European society. Instead, they championed the power of reason, the importance of individual liberty, and the possibility of progress. Key Enlightenment thinkers and their contributions. The Enlightenment was a constellation of brilliant minds, each contributing unique perspectives and ideas that would shape the course of history. Let's take a closer look at some of the key figures and their contributions. John Locke was an English philosopher who argued that individuals have natural rights to life, liberty, and property. He also believed that government power should be limited and based on the consent of the governed. Voltaire was a French writer and philosopher known for his sharp wit and criticism of religious intolerance and political oppression. He advocated for freedom of speech, religion, and thought. Montesquieu was a French political philosopher who emphasized the importance of separation of powers and checks and balances in governments to prevent tyranny. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a Swiss philosopher who argued for the importance of social contract theory, which holds the government's legitimacy comes from the consent of the people. These are just a few of the many Enlightenment thinkers who laid the intellectual foundations for liberalism. Their ideas, often radical and controversial at the time, would go on to inspire revolutions, social reforms, and new forms of governments around the world. Enlightenment ideas and the foundations of liberalism. The Enlightenment wasn't just about abstract philosophical debates. It was about transforming society and empowering individuals. Many of the core principles we associate with liberalism today can be traced back to the ideas that took root during this period. Individual liberty. The Enlightenment's emphasis on natural rights, individual autonomy, and freedom of thought and expression laid the groundwork for the liberal belief in individual liberty as a fundamental human right. Equality. While not always fully realized during the Enlightenment itself, the idea that all humans are born with equal rights and dignity began to emerge and would later become a central pillar of liberal thought. Reason and progress. The Enlightenment celebration of reason, scientific inquiry, and the belief in human progress laid the foundations for the liberal emphasis on education, social reform, and the use of evidence-based policies. Limited government. The Enlightenment's critique of absolute monarchy and religious authority paved the way for a liberal idea that government power should be limited, subject to checks and balances, and accountable to the people it governs. From the Enlightenment to the modern world. The Enlightenment was a turning point in history, marking a shift away from traditional authority and toward a more individualistic and rationalistic worldview. Its ideas continue to resonate today, shaping our understanding of democracy, human rights, and the role of government. While liberalism has evolved and taken on different forms over time, its roots can be traced back to the period of intellectual upheaval and revolutionary thought.